Today I'll be installing the under cabinet light. This is an 18.8-inch 144 LED light, and it comes with extra batteries and also magnetic to use to install it. You don't need any nail whatsoever, so you just install it like that, and then you just peel off the plastic from it so that you can stick it onto your under cabinet. You can also put this in the closet, anywhere at all. I love that the battery comes with an extra one and you can plug it in and use the USB-C to charge it. You can also charge up the sensory section on its own, and once it's green, is ready to go. So this is easy to install, is easy to take down again, and it also has different color temperatures. So we have 3 color temperature and it is dimmable. Absolutely love that fact. It really gives a good ambience to my kitchen area, and you can see how beautiful it is. Even at night, it looks absolutely amazing. When I come in the morning, if it's still a little bit dark, it turns on its own. Very sensitive lighting, and I can do whatever I want to do and leave, and it turns off on its own. At night, I can grab my snack and go. I absolutely like the convenience of this light, and I love everything about it.